Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 indoor grow lights designed to support healthy plant growth across all stages, from seedlings to full bloom. Whether you're nurturing herbs, succulents, or tropicals, these lights offer full spectrum coverage, adjustable brightness, and smart timers for hands-free care. With options ranging from clamp-on desk lamps to floor-standing dual-head systems, each model delivers energy-efficient performance and flexible installation. Some feature goosenecks, telescopic rods, or hanging kits, while others include spectrum presets and dimming controls. If you're building a home garden or upgrading your plant setup, this lineup offers reliable lighting and thoughtful design for every growing need. Number 1. Goongtop Clamp-On Grow Light. Goongtop's LED grow lamp features 74 white and 10 red LEDs, delivering 6000K full-spectrum light with a high CRI of 95, ideal for indoor plants and reading. The flexible gooseneck and strong clamp allow precise positioning, while the timer offers 4H, 8H, or 12H cycles. Powered via USB or AC plug, it's easy to install and energy efficient, consuming just 10W, equivalent to 50W halogen. Monthly cost is roughly $2 for 12-hour daily use. The 360 degrees adjustable neck and soft, flicker-free light make it perfect for tabletop plants. Includes a 365-day warranty and responsive customer support. Number 2. B05110W Hanging Grow Light. This rectangular LED grow light replaces traditional 1000W HPS/MH systems while consuming only 110W, ideal for 4x4 feet grow areas. Enhanced with extra red LEDs, it boosts yields by 30 to 50%, supporting year-round growth of vegetables, herbs, and tropicals. The fireproof PC and aluminum back cover ensure durability and efficient heat dissipation with zero noise. Includes power cord, steel ropes, and adjustable hanging kit for easy installation. Designed for all growth stages, this light balances energy savings with high output. Whether you're growing in winter or indoors, B05 delivers powerful, quiet performance with professional-grade results. Number 3. 1000W Full Spectrum Grow Panel. This 1000W LED grow panel offers full-spectrum light with white, blue, 430 nanometers, and red, 660 nanometers, wavelengths, ideal for accelerating root growth, leaf development, and flowering. The high-tech LED chip reduces light loss and boosts efficiency up to 90%. Designed with a fireproof PC cover and aluminum back, it dissipates heat across 6 sides with no noise. Includes power cord, steel ropes, and adjustable hanging kit for quick setup. Suitable for all growth stages, this panel supports vegetables, herbs, and flowers in any indoor environment. Backed by responsive customer service, it's a reliable choice for serious growers. Number 4. 48W Dual Head Floor Grow Lamp. This 48W floor standing grow lamp features 268 LEDs and 3 spectrum modes, seedling S, vegetative V, and flowering F, to support every growth phase. Standing 70.9-inch tall, it offers wide coverage and precise positioning via dual 360 degrees goosenecks. The smart controller includes a timer, 3H, 9H, 12H, 16H, 6 brightness presets, stepless dimming, and one touch on OFF. With a PPFD output of 280 mol/m superscript 2/s at 6-inch, it delivers powerful light with a 50,000-hour lifespan. The sturdy metal base and aluminum pole ensure stability. Includes adapter and manual, plus a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 5. Adjustable Desktop Grow Lamp. This full-spectrum desk lamp features 72 high-performance LEDs tailored for herbaceous and succulent plants. The telescopic rod adjusts from 15-inch to 26, allowing you to set the perfect height. Choose from 3 timer cycles, 3H, 9H, 12H, and 10 dimmable levels to match your plant's growth stage. The metal base ensures stability, while the sponge pad prevents tipping and protects surfaces. Easy to install and compact in design, it's ideal for desktops, shelves, or small indoor gardens. Whether you're nurturing seedlings or supporting flowering plants, this lamp offers flexible, efficient lighting in a sleek, polished form. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.